Keeping frozen food fresh during travel.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into a frequently asked question from those who love to travel without compromising their favorite frozen foods. You might be wondering, how can you pack frozen food in checked luggage to ensure it stays fresh and doesn't thaw during travel? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll walk you through the best methods to help you achieve just that.
What should you know before you start packing?
Before you start packing, it's important to remember that each airline has its own specific rules about carrying food items, so always check with your airline beforehand. Additionally, certain food items might not be allowed into some countries due to customs regulations. Now, let's dive into our packing process.
What supplies will you need?
First, gather your packing supplies. You'll need 1. Insulated cooler bag. This will provide the primary insulation for your frozen food. 2. Frozen gel packs. These are preferable to ice since they won't leak water as they thaw. 3. Bubble wrap. It adds extra insulation and helps protect against damage during travel. 4. Plastic Ziploc bags. These will contain any potential leaks from your food.
How to pack your frozen food.
Now let's move on to packing the food. 1. Pre-freeze your food and gel packs. Start by freezing both your food and gel packs for at least 24 hours before you pack them. 2. Wrap the food. Wrap each frozen food item in bubble wrap, then place it inside a Ziploc bag. 3. Pack the cooler. Place a layer of frozen gel packs at the bottom of your cooler. Then, place your packed food items, and finally, top it off with another layer of gel packs. 4. Seal the cooler bag. Ensure your cooler bag is sealed tightly to maintain the cold temperature inside.
What to do upon arrival?
Upon arrival, immediately transfer your frozen food items to a refrigerator or freezer. Do not leave them in the cooler bag for an extended period, as they may begin to thaw. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your frozen foods remain cold and safe throughout your journey. Always remember, proper packing is essential for maintaining the quality of your frozen food while traveling. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy and safe travels!